Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Last week I showed you my setup when I am trading and traveling. So this week I wanted to show you my setup when I am trading here at home. So behind me is a brand new addition to my setup here. It is a very, very big Dell Ultra Sharp monitor. It is a 42.5-inch monitor, and I have to tell you, I absolutely love it. Before, I had a monitor that was about half that size, which was okay, certainly, but I love having more real estate, more space to be able to put on different charts or different indicators, whatever it is that I'm wanting to see. And when I can look at more than one market at a time and use multi-time frame analysis on those markets, it's really super helpful to me for the way that I trade. So this thing is like the perfect solution because it is a monitor, not a big TV that you're trying to make into a monitor. I have tried that in the past to make a big TV into a monitor. And the reality is that TVs are meant to be TVs and monitors are meant to be monitors. Now, some of you who are more tech savvy could probably totally figure that out. This was not in my pay grade. So the things that I've tried in the past, it didn't work. I also tried the dual monitor route. And for whatever reason, both I and Geek Squad at Best Buy could not make that work. So I was back down to one monitor. So this thing really solved all of the problems that I was having and is a wonderful solution to have everything all in one place on one just gigantic screen. Now, the only thing that I didn't love about it is that the stand that it came with is pretty cool because it hides all of the cords, but it made the monitor like, let's see if I can do this, made the monitor about here. So from where I'm sitting, my eye line was like really, really low to the bottom of the monitor, and I wanted it higher up. So I just had a different stand. I put it on that. It worked totally fine. I'll link to that down below if you want to see what that is. It's just on Amazon. But that was a very easy fix. And as for the setup, I've really never had an easier setup on probably any kind of technology because this one, I just plugged in an HDMI, I plugged in the power cord, I turned it on, and it was ready to go. That was it. So very, very simple solution. And I just feel like I have so much space now. I really, really love it. So when you are seeing my charts on the videos that I normally do for you, this is what I will be working on. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.